Happening today, Walgreens will begin vaccinating residents and staff at Jacksonville's long-term care facilities in Northeast Florida. That's against COVID-19, and it comes 3 days ahead of schedule.
So the governor made this announcement late last night. He originally said, though, that this wouldn't happen until Monday. Both Walgreens, though, and CVS have around 2,000 facilities across the state signed up to get the vaccines. The drugstore chains will set up clinics at each facility to give out those shots. All residents and staff are required to fill out consent forms before they're actually able to get it. News4Jax reporter Brittany Muller is live this morning. And Brittany, another key group is getting the vaccine today.
Mel, good morning. The staff at Baptist Health will start getting the vaccine this morning, specifically those frontline workers who are at high risk, and they will be getting the Pfizer vaccine. And Baptist Health here is one of 11 hospitals in Northeast Florida that will receive the Moderna vaccine. The FDA advisory panel endorsed Moderna's shot last night. Once the emergency use authorization is granted, Moderna will ship millions of doses out. Governor Ron DeSantis says 367,000 of those doses would come here to Florida. If approved, Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine will be distributed to 173 Florida hospitals in 43 counties, including nearly a dozen in our community. DeSantis says these hospitals either didn't get enough of Pfizer's vaccine in the first round or they didn't have the equipment to store it. This data from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services from last week. It shows UF Health Shands in Gainesville has 51 total COVID patients with 14 in the ICU. And at UF Health Jacksonville, 74 COVID patients with 18 in the ICU. At Ascension St. Vincent's Riverside, there are 50 COVID patients and 20 in the ICU. Baptist Medical Center Jacksonville has 64 total COVID patients and 13 in the ICU. Moderna's vaccine has two key advantages over the one from Pfizer. It does not need to be stored at ultra cold temperatures, making it a better fit for areas that are hard to reach. It also does not need to be diluted like Pfizer's, which means it's ready to go right out of storage. Pfizer's shot is recommended for people 16 or older, while Moderna's is 18 and up. Both vaccines require 2 doses and are said to be about 95% effective. Now, if the FDA approves emergency use authorization of the Moderna vaccine, 6 million doses of the shipments will be sent out within 24 hours, meaning local hospitals in our area could receive the Moderna vaccine as early as Monday morning. Of course, we will keep you updated on any developments of this story on air and online, news4jax.com. Reporting live this morning, Brittany Muller, Channel 4, the local station.